Are you sure about this? Well, I'm not gonna kill him actually. Whatever. Keep this knife for your safety. I'm not sure that you can do it alone. Don't worry, young lady. If he is not responding me, then I'm not responsible for his life. Alright, what's your plan? I have no idea. All in my mind is to treat him like a slave. Yo, there is a guest outside, let's test with these guests. L. Great, I expect this from you. Now come with me, I'll show you the true heaven. No, I just came here. Shh. Silence. Get in. Understand. Get in, you brat. They both are evil ladies, they too are responsible for Britannic's death.